Okay, we've been playing a lot with one block, with the move steering block that looks like the steering wheel by the two motors. And if I want to get rid of any block, all I have to do is drag him from the dotted bar on the top and take him down to the bottom, and he'll just disappear. Now I can throw him back up there by dragging him right up. There he is. Now, say for example, I would like to go straight and then turn around and come back. That gets to be a little bit more complicated. I want to go straight. We can change it to be maybe 2 wheel rotations. Straightforward for 2 wheel rotations. And now I want to turn. So to add another block, all I have to do is click it at the bottom and drag it up and put it next to him here. And so this one, I want to turn. And turning's a little bit more complicated, but I want to turn in place. And we'll see if 1 wheel rotation does it. Now, it's always a good idea to test parts of your code before testing the whole code. So if I want to know if going straight and then turning 1 wheel rotation is going to make it so I turn around 180 degrees, I'm going to try it. Okay, that was pretty spot on. Now I want to drive straight forward again and come back to where I started. So I need to add another block after this that says drive forward, the same amount that I did before, which was 2 wheel rotations. I'm gonna make this a little smaller. Hopefully you can still see it. But this gets a little more complicated. I can push play and see how he works. Now, if I want to show my teacher this, but she doesn't know what the code says, a very good way to do it is to use pseudocode. Pseudocode is like using English to describe what the robot is doing. So it's going to use a written language. I'm going to click on the purple bar down there at the bottom, and I'm going to drag up one of these little comment boxes above each block. And these comment boxes say double tap to edit comment. So I double tapped, and I'm going to type in what it's going to be doing. So I'm saying drive forward. And then I'm going to double tap this one to edit that one and say turn 180 degrees or, whoops, 1 wheel rotation. And this one, I'm going to say drive forward, back to the start. Now I have pseudocode written on here. I'll pull it up closer so you can see it, to explain what each of the blocks are going to do when I run the program. Now if you notice, I'm going to push play one more time, but hold the iPad closer here. When it's running the program, you'll see that it's got a kind of a light on top of each block as it runs it. Here we go. So that light right there, middle block and the last block.